Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves creating spaces that feel warm, stylish, and alive, then this video is just for you. Today, we're diving deep into the top interior design trends for 2025. Trends that are not just about what looks good, but about how your home makes you feel. This year, design is becoming more emotional, more human, and more personal than ever before. So grab a cup of coffee, settle into your favorite chair, and let's imagine the homes of tomorrow, calm, cozy, and full of meaning. In 2025, minimalism is still here, but it's evolving into something softer and more emotional. The new wave of minimalism isn't about cold, white walls and empty rooms anymore. It's about creating calm spaces that feel lived in, soothing, and full of character. Designers are calling it a soft minimalism. Think of natural fabrics like linen and cotton, neutral palettes with creamy whites and warm beiges, and curved furniture that feels organic rather than sharp. Instead of harsh lines, we're seeing flowing forms that invite you to relax. It's minimalism, but with heart, less about perfection and more about comfort. Your home becomes a space where simplicity meets soul, where every item serves a purpose but also carries a story. Another major shift we'll see in 2025 is the deeper integration of nature into our homes. The idea of bringing the outside in isn't new, but this year, it becomes a true lifestyle. Designers are focusing on biophilic design, connecting humans with the natural world through form, color, and texture. Picture large indoor plants, terracotta planters, stone tables, and rattan chairs. Natural materials like clay, jute, and reclaimed wood are everywhere, paired with earthy tones of moss green, burnt orange, and soft brown. Even lighting is changing to mimic natural sunlight, helping regulate mood and sleep. Homes are starting to feel more like tranquil retreats, spaces that heal, ground, and rejuvenate us. Sustainability continues to shape interior design, but in 2025, it's more than a buzzword, it's a lifestyle choice. Designers and homeowners alike are embracing what's known as a circular design, which focuses on reusing, repurposing, and recycling materials. Instead of constantly buying new, people are restoring old furniture, shopping vintage, and investing in timeless pieces built to last. Sustainable materials like bamboo, cork, and recycled glass are being used in flooring, lighting, and furniture. Paint companies are developing eco-friendly, low VOC colors, while textile brands are focusing on organic fabrics. The design industry is slowly realizing that beauty and responsibility can go hand in hand. The new definition of luxury isn't about having more, it's about having better, more meaningful things that don't harm the planet. Lighting, too, is going through a revolution in 2025. It's no longer just about visibility, it's about atmosphere and art. Statement lighting is becoming a key element in every room, acting as both function and sculpture. Imagine soft, floating pendant lights shaped like clouds, or metallic chandeliers with abstract, twisted designs. People are layering different lighting types, ambient, accent, and task lighting, to create mood and depth. Hidden LED strips along curved ceilings or behind textured walls give rooms a cinematic glow. This trend reminds us that lighting isn't just practical, it's emotional. The right lighting can completely change how a space feels, making it cozy, romantic, or full of energy depending on the moment. Technology, of course, continues to transform our homes, but in 2025, it's becoming almost invisible. The smartest homes are now the most subtle ones. We're seeing seamless integration of technology, not loud screens or bulky devices, but smooth, hidden systems that enhance daily life. Smart lighting that adjusts automatically based on the time of day, voice-controlled blinds that follow the sun's movement, and appliances that blend perfectly into cabinetry are now the norm. Even furniture is getting tech-savvy, with built-in wireless charging or temperature control. The goal is to make technology serve design, not the other way around. Homes are becoming intelligent without losing their warmth or aesthetic harmony. Alongside all the innovation, there's also a deep nostalgia running through 2025's design trends. People are craving authenticity, history, and memory, leading to the return of vintage and heritage styles. Instead of throwing away old furniture, many are restoring heirlooms or mixing antique pieces with modern ones. Think of a rustic wooden table paired with sleek contemporary chairs, or floral wallpaper balanced by minimalist lighting. This blend of old and new tells a story and adds depth to a home. It gives rooms a sense of personality that can't be bought off the shelf. The charm of this trending. Color is another area where emotions are leading the way. In 2025, cool tones like grey and icy white are giving way to warm, earthy neutrals. Colors like terracotta, sandy beige, ochre, and muted olive are creating homes that feel cozy and welcoming.